Assalamu alaikum girls. Today we are going to study and learn about Shakir Ali as a calligrapher. In our previous lecture we have studied Shakir Ali as a painter, how he developed his style as an abstract artist in Pakistan. He was born in 1916 and he died in 1975. He was the pioneer of abstract art in Pakistan. Today we are going to focus on his calligraphic paintings, how he developed his style as a calligraphic painting artist. What are the objectives of today's lecture? That you will be able to write and tell about his Shakir Ali's abstract calligraphic paintings. Describe his style, how he painted these paintings, what elements he used, what was the style of calligraphy that he used, then how he composed his abstract calligraphic paintings, what techniques he used, then give some examples of his abstract calligraphic paintings. So first of all, the most important point is that Shakir Ali was the pioneer of abstract calligraphic paintings in Pakistan. Before Shakir Ali, no other artist experimented with calligraphy in abstract form. So calligraphy was attempted for the first time by Shakir Ali to be part of his abstract paintings. So he started painting huge abstract calligraphic murals in 1960. So this is the time period in which he started making abstract calligraphic paintings, mural paintings. Mural means big sized paintings, wall paintings. So calligraphy was used for the first time as a motif in his paintings by Shakir Ali, because he used calligraphy not to convey his message but as a design element. He picked up words from Urdu and Arabic calligraphy and used them to form a network and to create a pattern. Rather than using it as a calligraphy, he used it as a motif or a design. So Shakir Ali had no command over classical calligraphy. He has not learned calligraphy from anywhere, and he wrote his Quranic verses and stanzas of Urdu in his own style. So he developed his own style as a painter rather than as a calligrapher. So that's how he developed his abstract calligraphic mural paintings. So Shakir Ali's style of abstract calligraphy. Shakir Ali wrote Quranic verses in his own style. He wrote big size letters with thin lines. So this is one quality or style of his writing, that he wrote big size letters, very huge letters, but the lines used were very thin. And he used form of words in such a way that he created an attractive pattern with them. He used blank spaces in his abstract calligraphy paintings to create very interesting effects. So this is the style in which he developed his abstract calligraphic paintings. He used big letters or big words but with thin lines. Then he made a framework or a pattern with using these words, and he also used blank spaces in his paintings to create interesting effects. So that's how he developed his style of abstract painting. How he composed his abstract paintings. In his calligraphic mural paintings, composition was always very loose. It was not rigid at all. He did not confine himself to any limits. So he composed very freely and in a very loose or free manner. So the lines he used were to write these letters were very light, airy, spontaneous and sketchy. So these are all four qualities of the lines that he used. So he used lines to write his letters which were light, airy, spontaneous and sketchy. So all these types of lines were used in his calligraphic mural paintings, abstract calligraphy paintings. He used very rich and deep colors and applied them roughly to create lots and lots of texture. So this was another important aspect of his compositions or his paintings. His abstract calligraphy was not easily readable, and it was hard to read whatever he has written, because he wrote it in a complex way, adding some abstract element in it. So it was hard to read what he has written. So they were not very clear calligraphy paintings. These paintings had an abstract element strong abstract element linked to them. So what are some of the examples of his calligraphic mural paintings? Shakir Ali used calligraphy for the first time as a motive in his paintings. I have already told you this is an important point, so you have to mention this. Then he painted 3 calligraphy mural paintings and wrote verses of Quran in these calligraphy murals. And now we are going to discuss about these 3 calligraphy mural paintings that he made. One of the painting is in Baitul Quran section of Punjab Library. This is the place, Punjab Public Library. Punjab Public Library is the place, and the area is Baitul Quran section. And in this painting, the word Ikra is painted along with flowers, leaves, and in an abstract composition. So this is one mural, abstract calligraphic mural that he painted. In which area? The area is Punjab Public Library, and the section is Baitul Quran. And what is written in this painting? Ikra word is written along with flowers and leaves in an abstract composition. Another painting, abstract calligraphic mural painting, is in the Institute of PINSTEC, Pakistan Institution of Nuclear Sciences and Technology, near Islamabad. In this, the verses of Ayatul Kursi have been painted in the form of 3 pages of a book. So this is another painting that he painted, and what was written? Ayatul Kursi was written in which form? In the form of a book, 3 pages of a book. And this painting is where? This painting is painted in PINSTEC, Pakistan Institute of Nuclear Sciences and Technology, near Islamabad. So this is the place where he has painted this huge abstract calligraphic mural painting. Now, what is the third painting? Third painting is basically a painting in a bank, in a very big, huge bank in Lahore. So that's how he has painted different paintings in different buildings of Pakistan, and he has developed his own style. So what is the conclusion about Shakir Ali's painting style in calligraphic murals? That Shakir Ali was pioneer, one of the first of the artists who developed abstract calligraphic mural paintings in Pakistan. Before Shakir Ali, no other artist was using calligraphy in abstract calligraphic murals. So he was the first person. He used calligraphy for the first time as motif in his paintings, and used it as an element or a design rather than as a calligraphic words. So he created framework of lines and forms of letters to create abstract compositions. His abstract calligraphies were not easy to be easily readable, and it was difficult to read whatever he had written. So he wrote verses of Quran in his own style. For example, he wrote the word Ikra and the verse of Ayatul Kursi in his abstract calligraphic paintings. He also wrote big size letters with very thin lines. This is another quality of his work. And Shakir Ali is considered as the founder of modern artistic calligraphic paintings in Pakistan. He experimented successfully in the field of calligraphy and painting. He created beautiful and soothing calligraphic paintings. He transformed Quranic verses into modern calligraphic paintings. That's how he developed his style of calligraphy, abstract calligraphic mural paintings. So what have you learned about Shakir Ali's style of calligraphy in today's lecture? That Shakir Ali was the pioneer of abstract calligraphy mural paintings in Pakistan. He started painting abstract calligraphic mural paintings in 1960s. He used calligraphy for the first time as motive in his paintings and created framework of lines and frames and letters to create abstract compositions. He used blank spaces as elements of design in his paintings, and he wrote big size letters with thin lines and wrote Quranic verses in his own style as a painter, not as a calligrapher. Some examples include words Ikra and some verses of Ayatul Kursi. He experimented successfully in the field of calligraphy and painted huge and very beautiful calligraphic mural paintings. He transformed Quranic verses into modern calligraphic paintings. This is his huge achievement, and Shakir Ali inspired many young artists to come into this field of abstract art, and he laid the foundation of abstract art in Pakistan. So this is all about Shakir Ali and his abstract calligraphic mural paintings. Now these are some of the slides of Shakir Ali's abstract calligraphy. Look how he has used different words of Quran and how he has gone about it using big letters with thin lines, and it's not easily readable whatever he has written. Al-Kalam, Allah. So these are different words that he has combined together in the form of one huge calligraphic painting, and he has used blank spaces and some of the motifs. Some looks there are some leaves and flowers, and Ikra is written here. So this is an example of calligraphic mural painting painted by Shakir Ali. Look how these words are entangled and linked with each other. Kaf, Wow, Choti, Ye. So all of these are words of Arabic and Urdu calligraphy, but they are mixed and twined together, and there are some blank spaces here and there. So that's how he composes abstract calligraphic paintings. There is another example. This is Urdu calligraphy. That's how he has written. So you can make out the words, but it's difficult to read. So this is Shakir Ali himself, and this is one of his calligraphic mural painting again. So this is end of the lecture. Hope you have understood about Shakir Ali and his style of abstract calligraphic mural paintings. Please go through the resource thoroughly and write all the short and long question and MCQs, answer the MCQs as well, and prepare this topic well. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.